In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure you have a seamless experience. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your search engine. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. Most likely, the first result will be the official Microsoft Teams webpage. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the main Microsoft Teams page where you'll find an option to sign in, typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll see an option that says Create an Account. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. After typing your email, click Next. Now check your email for a verification code. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account. Enter the code that was sent to your email in the designated area on the Microsoft site. Once verified, click Next to proceed. The next step involves entering some personal information. You'll need to select your birth month, birth date, and year. This information helps Microsoft personalize your experience and keep your account secure. Use the drop-down menus to select your birth details accurately. After selecting your date of birth, press Next. The following field requires you to input your first and the last name. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear on your Microsoft account. Keep in mind that this will also be visible to other users, so use a name you're comfortable sharing. Once you have filled in your name, click Next again. At this point, Microsoft wants to ensure that it's really you, not a robot, creating this account. You'll see a button with an instruction to press and hold. Do just that. Press and hold the button. This simple action verifies your humanity, so the system knows you're not a bot. Once you've completed these steps, Microsoft will show you its privacy notice. Look for the OK button and click it. This acknowledges that you have read and accepted the terms. Next, Microsoft might suggest setting up additional security measures for your account. For now, you can skip this step by clicking on Skip for Now. Later, you can explore these security options to further protect your account. Finally, you'll see an option to continue. Click Continue to end the setup process. Congratulations! You've successfully created an account in Microsoft Teams and are ready to start using its features to stay connected and collaborate with others.